Welcome to FIXtastic Contents. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix no sound issue for your PlayStation 5. There is 7 solutions, 1 fix. Let's start with solution 1. Try the obvious first. A. Unplug HDMI lead and re-plug. B. Use another HDMI lead. Solution 2. Change the video transfer rate to -1 in the PS5 settings. Solution 3. Restarting your TV by holding power button until your TV restarts, or you can try the remote control too. This works well on Sony TVs and should do on other TVs. Solution 4. Try unplugging TV power lead for 30 seconds, then plugging back in. Solution 5. Try switching your sound to Bitstream Dolby in PS5 settings. Solution 6. Try switching HDCP mode in safe mode. To do this, turn off PS5 console and hold power button until you hear 2 beeps, and then follow on-screen instructions to switch HDCP mode. The last solution, solution 7, try checking for HDMI output is correctly set. To do this, go to the PS5 settings, sound, audio output, output device, and then HDMI device set to TV. If any of these solutions has helped you today, please comment below and let me know which solution worked best for you. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and check out my other videos. I will catch you on the next one.